Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas, and we continue just a little bit outside of Cheney with our good buddy from the Wichita Homeworks. This is Nate. He is the president. Nate, thanks so much for being with us today. Yep. So Nate, we're at a cool one today, a main floor remodel. And when we say remodel, this is literally going to look like a brand new space.
Yeah, we're touching a lot of the, a lot of this house. So behind us, or well, in front of us, I guess, we've got a master bath suite that we've been remodeling. Nice big custom shower in there. We're standing in the living room area. You can see the custom fireplace that we did. And then we've got behind us the kitchen, and we're doing a full remodel on that as well.
Yeah, so I cannot wait to see the finished product on this one.
Yeah, let's
just start really quick in the kitchen. Tell us about what's going on in there. What are they changing up?
Yeah, so this is a great example of a kitchen that we didn't have to demo the entire thing. We didn't have to gut it. There's a lot of the kitchen that they like. But there's a lot that they wanted to kind of customize and change for their benefit. And so you'll see there's a lot of custom work that we've done and some kind of adjustments to some of the cabinet layouts. We actually moved the island to a new location. We're going to be doing new countertops, new backsplash, and all that sort of thing. So it's always fun to see how much of a visual difference we can get out of less actual physical change to the project.
Absolutely. And this living room is going to be a special space as well. You already touched on the brand new fireplace here. Give us a quick sneak peek of what's going to be in here.
So we'll be doing flooring, trim work, the fireplace here. We did another rustic. We made the mantle look rustic, even though it's brand new. So those are always fun.
Oh, what a cool touch to the living room for sure. Also, like you said, the master bedroom, new bathroom, new bedroom. Give us a little bit on that.
Yeah, so a lot of the work's in the bathroom there. We've got a big custom shower. It's going to be an onyx shower, which is a composite material that's really easy to clean and maintain. Double vanity in there. It's going to be a really nice space.
In a few months, we got to come back to this one and check it out. Really quick, Nate, as we've mentioned before on the show, next couple months, people are in their houses a lot. There are a lot of eyes on different parts of their house that maybe they're not usually looking at. You guys are a great place to come, get those things fixed. So just tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, you've got family, you've got friends in for the holidays. You've got, you're going to see the pain points in your kitchen, in your bathrooms, in your, living spaces, all of that sort of thing. So those are the kinds of things we like to help solve. We like to improve those spaces for you and make them even more comfortable for your family and friends.
And that's what we're all about. And you don't want anybody else doing it but the best in the business. That's what we try for. Yes. Tell us how people can get a hold of you and get their project started.
Yeah, so they can visit us on the web, wichitahomeworks.com, or they can give us a call, 316-303-4485.
Awesome. Always a pleasure, Nate. Thanks so much.
You bet.
Appreciate it. We have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.